Hi everyone, welcome to my updated AmigaOS 500 aka SAM460. I am now running the update 2 of AmigaOS 4.1 final edition. Except of the fact that I am not using the new kernel that was provided in update 2, because if I use the new kernel, the net will stall and two of my MUI applications, Jack and Jill, will not be working. So what I have done is simply to replace the new kernel with the kernel from update 1, and that way update 2 is working as supposed to without the new kernel. I am very happy to say that update 2 is working perfectly on my system despite of the kernel. And now I am going to show you something else very interesting. The update allows people to better run all 68K applications without problems. As for that, I am able to run OctaMED SoundStudio version 103C without error message, and I am actually able to quit the program within the operating system. I will demonstrate for you how it works, but first I'll show you something else. As you can see here on the information, it simply says Release 4.1 Final Edition Update 2. And now we are going to run OctaMED SoundStudio in this system. Take a look. As you can see that here, OctaMED SoundStudio is working very well, and songs plays quite fast in normal speed from what you make them in. And now I am going to demonstrate for you how it actually works quitting within the operating system itself. Now take a look. As you notice, I quitted the music program within the operating system, and now I will show you that the system did not freeze. Now I am going to quit the operating system and shut off the computer. Now take a look. Well, there you got the proof. It's actually working very well under update 2, so it's fully portable to run the old applications like OctaMED SoundStudio, and actually quit the program within the operating system, and even quit the operating system itself, just like it did. So that is false. This is update 2. It's working very well and I'm very happy with that. Thank you everyone for watching. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.